drop the ball. Yeah, I'm Angela Bissett.
We're gonna need to talk. Here?
And in local news, it has been brought to the newsroom's attention that there has been an agency operating in Jamaica outside of the laws of the land. It is suspected that the organization may be funded by questionable groups in the South American region that is said to be involved in drug trafficking and weapons running. Minister Everton Daly, in his address, is promising that within a week, names of the head of this illegal organization will be published.
Mission complete.
Excellent. Now tell me, what's your concern about Stinger?
He seems to be compromised.
Okay. Forgotten? Invisible. Silent. Black. 7/12/2013. 15/7/1978.
David?
Pearl, are you okay?
It happens again.
Really? Do you know where you are? Or more importantly, do you remember where you've been?
No.
Are you sure you don't want me to have the psychiatrist look at you?
David, you know how I feel about that. No.
You certain? You're not remembering things could be a problem, you know.
And me going to a psychiatrist is one step away from me being a mad woman.
You know we need you to have a clear head being an agent, right?
I have a clear head. I've been functioning. And it doesn't get in the way.
Seems like I've touched a nerve. Are you certain you're okay? You know that your well-being is very important to me.
I'm okay, David. I just hate that I can't remember sections of my life every time this thing happens.
Tell you what, let's talk about it over a drink. Don't give me that look. Forget the Malta.
This drinking thing seems to be coming my next rough.
You have something for replace it?
Water.
Thank you. This is water.
That's what I said I would have given you.
You know, you take serious thing make joke.
We have company.
Water truck has arrived.
Good night, agents.
Good night, Wasp.
Excuse me?
Hyper. Can I speak to you outside for a minute?
Is water enough? Want to taste it?
After you.
Whisper. May I get you something to drink?
Is either you're a very good actress or you're just clueless.
That I don't serve.
Join us tonight at 8 p.m. for Sunday Night Live right here on Expressions JA YouTube channel.